Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error that says the Internet Explorer has stopped working pop-up on your computer. So hopefully this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Internet Explorer web browser. So wherever you would normally open that up, keep in mind Microsoft Edge is not the same as Internet Explorer. And you want to go up and left click on the little settings icon up at the top where if you hover over it, it says tools. Left click on that and then left click on internet options from this context menu. And now you want to left click on the advanced tab on the far right and then where it says reset Internet Explorer settings, resets Internet Explorer settings to their default condition. You should only use this if your browser is in an unusable state. Left click on this reset button right here. It's going to prompt, are you sure you want to reset all of Internet Explorer settings? Check mark inside the box if you want to also delete personal settings as well. You might be better also if you really don't mind just completely starting fresh with Internet Explorer. And I actually would recommend that too if you don't really mind. I mean, it's not going to really delete anything that can't be replaced. It's just basically temporary internet files, history, cookies, tracking, protection data, do not track data, and passwords you might have put into websites. So it's really not that important, and I would recommend checking that. And then left clicking on reset here. Once it's done and you have all green check marks here, click on close. You need to restart the computer for the changes to take effect. So I recommend just restarting your computer, relaunch the Internet Explorer application, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.